my name is Eugene from IAE Global Sydney office. So I would like to briefly introduce you guys about our branch office today. So we have been offering and operating for over 28 years now by providing an educational service to international students. And also, of course, we are located in the heart of Sydney City, so it's very, very easy to visit if you want to visit. With our knowledges and experience that we have gathered for the last 28 years, I would proudly say that we are the most professional team that you're probably looking for. So if you're interested in studying in Australia, not just Sydney, anywhere in Australia, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you very much. Bye.